Hey Laura, how you doing? So I've got your issue copy up here. If it's okay with you, I'll just go through this. It's all set up and ready to go, so might as well, right? Okay, I think the cover looks great. I really think the expanse is really well represented, not only with the image in the background, but also with the type treatment, spanning the width of the cover of the presentation. That's pretty cool. I think this might be a little too large. I think um, your hierarchy, your point of interest should be in the Winter Olympics. Number one in the position of hierarchy should be Winter Olympics, not MMXXII. Okay. Next page. Let's go ahead and take a look at this now. It's really good, and this is kind of what I wanted to do is look at this in spreads because this page is very, very poor in hierarchy. And let me show you why, okay? There's just too much going on in the page, and a lot of it is the same size. So, for example, this banner here, and this title are all roughly taking up the same area. So your eye, the human eye, automatically goes, okay, what do you want me to do? You're not telling me. And we need to be told what to do visually. So this is a really, really a point of extreme visual, just an uncomfortable visual tension. Okay, there's no alignment on table of contents, so that should be aligned with something. You know, we all always have to think about alignment. Okay, mainly, and I think that these snowflakes in the background are just again adding another layer of demanding attention that's taking away from the hierarchy as the page as a whole. Okay, let's go on and move to the next page. This page looks good. I think your type is really, really big. You have your headline and then you have your text box here. Olympic, that is not aligned. The O is not aligned. Okay, and then you have over here just this random line just sitting here. So we don't know what's going on. I mean, it should be aligned with something. It just is like laying there, just seemed to be thrown there. So that's another point that's going to cause this subconscious, uncomfortable visual tension for the viewer. Again, this page, and I really think the issue, I think, Laura, I am after this is our third class together, I think, and I'm really wanting you to start concentrating on hierarchy because it's you're just really showing things like I look at this page, I know exactly what I would do as a designer to say, okay, I want you to look here first, okay, then I want you to read, then I want you to look at the images. Do you see what I'm saying? So instead, you're not based on scale and presentation, you're not necessarily doing that. You're saying, okay, should I look here first, or should I look here first, or should I look here first? You see what I'm saying? Okay, so and then I think the pictograms look great, and I love this. This saved your project, Laura. I'm just being honest with you. The Apple wasn't working, and it's not, and I would lose it, and I would use this as your logo. I'm not even joking. I think this right here, Winter Olympics, that's your logo. It's gorgeous. Does it have to have a boundary around it? Yeah, that's fine. Normally Olympic logos don't, but there's no reason you shouldn't. I would just go use that as your logo. It's gorgeous. It's versatile. It fits in with this kind of flowing ribbon theme. It fits in with the flowing ribbon theme of the pictograms, and it's wonderfully versatile in terms of using in different applications. So great job. I'd like to see some of these colors worked in to these pictograms. Okay. This again, okay, let's go back to some type. Okay, so you see how your type is, it's over here on this page, then on this page, it's still over here, then on this page, and then on this page it moved over here, and it's a completely different orientation. Again, type is really large. Okay, so, and then again, now it moves down here, so every time the viewer turns the page, the type is jumping. So let's just lock it down to one spot. That's typically what you do in a presentation, is lock down your type and your titles in one spot so that you create this cadence and this rhythm going through the presentation that the viewer becomes very, very comfortable with by the second or third page. This is nothing. This is just, I wouldn't leave that in my presentation. These are good. Again, hierarchy. Again, what do you want me to look at? This or this? So I'm seeing this tendency to try to do too much. Now this is interesting right here because you've got these bags and these like this is like it's a regular old design. Looks great, by the way. But it's a regular old design project, which it's not, because we're talking about this system, designing the system of delivery. So as pertaining to the concept, shouldn't we have Olympic logo, Olympic graphics, like for the Olympic Village and the banners and all sorts of stuff pertaining directly to that event, as opposed to generally here's a coffee cup. Did you see what I'm saying? Okay, and then this is your back cover, and again, it's not. I wish issue gave us a way to go from the last page to the first page, but I would like to see that a little more consistently designed with the front page. But anyways, you're going to score great, of course, because it's a great project. But I'm just trying to be honest with you, Laura. I mean, I hope you know me well enough by now that I'm not going to mince my words. I'm going to be very honest with you. Doesn't mean it's not good work. It means it's good work. It means that I'm very interested in you pursuing some of the things I'm saying, because I think that it will fit very well in a student portfolio. I know it will fit very well in a student portfolio. So think about what I've said, specifically hierarchy. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or otherwise, please get with me. I'll be more than glad to spend some time clarifying things with you. Thanks, Laura. Enjoyed the class. Love having you as a student, by the way. Hope to see you again. Bye.